Hello and welcome to another calculus video. In this video, we will be talking about related rates and how to solve them. So, what are related rates? Basically, when given two or more qualities, the change in one quality will result in a change in another quality. Take a sphere for example. The change in the sphere's radius will also result in the change in a sphere's volume. First off, find out what the question wants you to do. What do you already know? What are you trying to find out? You might find it helpful to draw a diagram. Next, find the relationship between these qualities and take the derivative of both sides with respect to time. Then, plug the information you know into the equation and answer the question. Let's look at this through an example. The size of a square is changing at a rate of 2 feet per second. So what is the rate that the area is changing when the area is at 64 feet squared? So what do we know? If we let S equal the size of a square and A equal the area of a square, we know that the sides are changing at a rate of 2 feet per second. So ds dt equals 2. And we know we have to find dA dt at A equals 64 feet squared. The relationship between the area and the size of a square is A equals S squared. So now take the derivative of both sides relative to time. This gives us dA dt equals 2S ds dt. How did we get that? So recall the chain rule. The derivative of f of g of x is equals to the derivative of f with respect to g of x times the derivative of g of x. So for s squared, g of s is equal to s. So the derivative of s squared with respect to time will be equal to the derivative of s squared with respect to s multiplied by the derivative of s with respect to time. This gives us 2s times ds dt. Moving on, the related rates equation is now dA dt equals 2s times ds dt. We want to find dA dt when A equals 64 feet squared, which means s must equal 8. So now it's just plug and chug. This makes dA dt equals 2 times 8 times 2 equals 32 feet squared per second. Let's do another example. Take the equation x squared plus y equals z squared. We know that dx dt equals 1 and dy dt equals 2. What is dz dt when x equals 1 and y equals 3? Since we already have the relationship, we can skip straight to finding the derivative. Again, using the chain rule, we have 2x dx dt plus dy dt equals 2z dz dt. Two times 1 times 1 plus 2 equals 2 times 2 times dz dt. This gives us dz dt equals 1 when x equals 1 and y equals 3. And that's basically it. Join me on the next video where we will take a look at some more complex related rate problems.